I'm Sohee and welcome back to Inssa Korea for another episode of Learning Korean with Korean dramas. Our drama for this week is Welcome to Samdal-ri, where our protagonist, Cho Sam-dal, a successful fashion photographer, got caught in a scandal in which she had to flit back to her hometown, Jeju-do. There, she reconnects with her best friend and her ex-lover, Cho-Yong-pil. We are going to listen to a few clips from the drama and we are going to test for your listening skills. And then we are going to learn some vocabulary and grammar from the drama. The first scene is where Samdal's mother asks her for her reason of returning to Jeju-do.
너 망했냐?
너 망했냐? In this case, her mother is using the least polite form because she is talking to her kid. So here, 너 is the informal form of you. 망하다, to be screwed. And the 냐 ending form is basically a very casual form and it's mostly used to tease people. So you can only use this when you want to be very playful with your close friends. Let's say you matched two friends on a date and after that you can ask them 좋았냐? Was it good? In a teasing way. In the second scene, Samdal's father asked the other daughter to tell him what happened and she told him they said that she did what, and we are going to learn how to say the indirect speech form from this.
갑질했다고.
갑질했다고. 갑질하다 is basically a slang to show that someone is using their power over another person who has less power than you. Basically, any inappropriate demand from the more powerful side is an act of 갑질. The ending form 따고 actually comes from the grammar verb plus at or 어따고 하다. It is used to report or convey what someone else has said. So you can use this pattern when you want to quote someone else's words or thoughts, or you can use it to repeat yourself. Mostly we'll use it to talk about actions that has already passed. So that's why we will need to change our verb into past tense first. Very often when people are using this grammar, they do not say 따고 하다 for the ending form. Instead, they just say something 따고 to repeat. It's the shortened form and you can use both to mean the same meaning. And here, 갑질했다고. So you change 갑질하다, to abuse, into its past tense form and then you can just add 따고. This way, you are using the indirect speech to say someone said she abused someone. Another example, 숙제 다 했다고 했어요. 숙제, homework, 다, all. 했다고 from 하다 to do, you change it into past tense, 했다고 했어요. I said I already did all my homework.
아니라며. 다툰 거라며.
아니라며. 다툰 거라며. 아니다 is not true. 다투다, to argue. And you can use the ending 라며 to ask people, didn't you say that it was like this? Just to confirm things. 아니라며. Didn't you say it was not true? 다툰 거라며. Didn't you say it was just an argument? In the third scene, Samdal overheard her friends and she kind of misunderstood what they were saying and she defends herself.
나 안 망했어. 나 안 망했다고.
나 안 망했어. 안 망했다고. Remember the 따고 ending? Here, Samdal uses it because she wants to repeat herself. 안 망했어. I am not screwed. I said I'm not screwed. 안 망했다고.
싫다 진짜.
아니, 야, 저기 삼달아.
나 진짜 이 동네 진짜 싫다. 나 진짜 really 동네 neighborhood 싫다 to hate. So she kind of like feel disappointed with this neighborhood as well as the people in it, of the gossiping and everything.
너 지금 뭐라 그랬어?
야, 너 지금 뭐라 그랬어? Obviously, ya is something that you will only use in an informal speech and because they are friends. So it's like, hey, ya. Here in the last scene, Cho-Yong-pil, Samdal's ex-boyfriend, find out something about Samdal's ex-boyfriend from his friend.
뭐가? 아니, 너 지금 뭐 전남친의 전전남친 그 뭔 소리야?
지금 뭐라 그랬어? This is a way for you to say, what did you say just now? Like, can you repeat it? Just remember that this is also an informal form that you can only use with your very close friends. 뭐가? What? 아니, 너 뭐 전남친의 전전남친 그 뭔 소리야? 전남친? 전 is like before, so 남친, 남자친구, boyfriend, ex-boyfriend, and 전전남친, ex-boyfriend. And another informal way that you can ask the other party, what did you just say? Like, what are you talking about? 뭔 소리야? 소리 is like a sound, but here is just like the things that that person has said.
전남친 천춘기 전전남친 조용필 때문에 우리 삼다리 머리 터진다고 아주.
전남친 천춘기, 전전남친 조용필 때문에 삼다리 머리 터진다고 아주. 때문에 is a shortened form of 때문에. You can put a noun before 때문에 to say because of something. For example, 너 때문에, because of you. 머리, head. 터지다, to explode. 아주, a lot or very. And in this sentence, the grammar verb plus 은 or 니었다고 하다 is being used. It is a grammar structure used to report or convey information about what someone else has said. It is a grammar structure that's very similar to the one that we've just learned, but then this verb is to describe like actions in the current state instead of an past action. For verbs ending with a vowel, we'll put the final consonants 니은, 따고 after it, while for verbs ending with a consonant, we will add 은, 따고. In this example, 우리 삼달이 머리 터진다고 아주. This verb, 터지다, ends with the vowel, so that's why we put 니은, final consonants, and 따고 after it. So the speaker is saying, I said Samdal's head is exploding. Other examples. 이따가 한다고 했어요. I said I would do it later. Here the verb is 하다. Without any final consonants, we are going to add 니은 and 따고. 케이크를 만든다고? 만들 줄 알아요? You said you are going to make a cake. Do you know how to make it? The verb here is 만들다. For this, final consonant is 리을, and this is a special case where we need to change it to the 니을 final consonants before adding 따고. Do you like this kind of learning style? Learning Korean from K-dramas? If you do you like this video and subscribe to the channel? And as a gift from me, you can download the lesson note PDF from the link below down there in the description box.